I'm very excited right now, standing next to one of the very enthusiastic runner, Jyoti, who was an active participant in Milescart under the Burn to Redeem program. And as you can see, she's holding a certificate for the top scorer in the female category. She has scored 685 points and she's at the top of the table. Jyoti, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Feeling wonderful, amazing. ये एक achievement है. I have achieved this and it is totally through my hard work. And main thing is that कि I was so much motivated to run because of Run to Redeem. Usually I run, and but there was when we have a target, when we have a challenge, we do it better. And main thing is that if we find it like we are getting appreciation, we are getting rewards, we do it better, we do it more, and we do it willingly. Previously I was running, but during this period I was running like crazy. I was sleeping, I was thinking I have to run. I was eating balanced and very healthy diet that I have to run. And whatever I was doing, I was most of the time I was thinking that I have to run. So it is a great motivation, or it was a great time. I traveled, and during my journey I was running. I traveled for fun, I traveled for some work, and that time also I was running. My parents, my brother, my friends, my neighbors, everybody was so much surprised, and they were supporting. They were supporting me to run. They were telling me every time that yes, you can do it, you can achieve your target, you can the challenge you have accepted, you can do it. So I was very, very, very confident, and initially I started with 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers a day, and then I was like 10, 20, 21, 25, and I ran for 28 kilometers for a day. And all my PVRG family, they supported a lot. So many people were there. They were pushing me that yes, you do it. Anil Kumar ji, Gurmeet Ahuja ji, and my coach Tribhuvan Narayan, he was the one who was always supporting and motivated me. And I want to thank you all of them for their motivation and for their trust in me, for their belief in me. They trusted that I can do it. So I'm feeling very, 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 very happy. And
in fact, we are much more excited to have Jyoti as coming as a top scorer. I remember talking to Jyoti somewhere in between the program. She had so much of doubts about Burn to Redeem, but she never hesitated in asking even a single question from me. And I hope I tried to address most of your queries, and the final result is in front of us that she is leading. She has topped the table with 685 points. If you'll just remove the bonus points, you'll come to know that on an average she has run more than 10 kilometers over a period of 40 days. And 10 kilometers is not a small thing which she has achieved. Congratulations once again, Jyoti.
I want to thank Rohit also, because there was a time during the first week of this challenge, I was like a little apprehensive that should I go for it or not, but he was the one who always supported me. He pushed me that yes, I should do it. Then I continued this, and I achieved my target, and I'm really very happy, and I'm excited and nervous also. So many times I forgot what to say and what not to say, and but it's good. Overall, I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you.